This little machine whips up fresh slushies in just 15 minutes. It's hands down the most used appliance in my house all summer long. It's got 7 automatic modes that can make slushies, milkshakes, kid-friendly juice blends, and even full-on ice cream. It's super easy to use. Once the machine is set up, all I have to do is pour in my favorite drink. Just press the button, wait 3 seconds, and it starts working automatically. No pre-freezing, no stirring, no hassle. That's it. Ever since I got this, I haven't stepped foot in a smoothie shop. It tastes amazing, just like the stuff you buy, but right at home. It runs super quietly, and even has a one-touch self-cleaning feature. It only takes about 2 rounds of water to get it completely clean. Super convenient. If you want to stay cool all summer and enjoy delicious slushies anytime, hit the link below and grab one for yourself.